Say good morning.
Goedemorgen. Goedemorgen.
Good morning sa inyong lahat. Laki ng mukha ko, but nasa Netherlands na po kami. We're back in the Netherlands. Ay, sarap ng tulog ko. December 24 na po ngayon. And ando na si Ruth sa baba. Kasi dadating si Anna. Anna didn't sleep here last night. Doon siya sa lulot-lulan niya. Today, they are going back to Efteling. Ruth and Anna have been going to the Efteling, yung theme park sa amin. I think almost every week sila doon kasi may subscription na si Ruth. Hindi ako sasama para may time sila na sila lang ba. But yeah, we are back in the Netherlands. Tapos na po yung yung 9 weeks namin doon sa Pilipinas. And I didn't vlog for a while because I wanted yung mga vlog ko to catch up sa yung mga updated ba? I mean, so updated na po ang videos natin. I want to thank JD. Hello, JD Menase or Menes. Thank you so much for always watching our videos and for always commenting. Maraming salamat po. And also si Miss Celeste, thank you so much Miss Celeste sa pag-comment sa last video. Si Miss Celeste po kasi yung yung naalala ko na palaging naghahanap ni Ana sa mga videos ba. Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. Saan man kayo sa mundo, Merry Christmas. Kung nasa Pilipinas man kayo kasama ang family nyo, solo kayo, or kasama ang family nyo, saan man sa mundo, Merry Christmas. God bless you all and thank you so much po sa pagsubaybay sa amin. And I hope mag-enjoy kayo sa celebration sa inyo dyan, sa Noche Buena. May handa o wala, I hope mag-enjoy at masaya ang lahat. Nothing compares to celebrating Christmas sa Pilipinas kasama yung family natin. Pero yun talaga, yung mga katulad ko na nasa malayong lugar na may sariling pamilya na or mga kababayan nating OFW na yun, malayo sa pamilya and iba yung spirit ng Christmas talaga sa Pilipinas. But anyhow, yeah, let's try our best na maging masaya and mas ma-appreciate yung mga blessings na bagay-bagay sa buhay. Merry Christmas everyone! Masaya po ako na nakabalik na kami dito sa Netherlands kasama yung family ko. Siyempre, nagka-homesick din ako. Namimiss ko din yun sa Pilipinas pagdating ko dito. November kami umuwi dito. Tapos na ngayon? To 2024 na. But I was able to rest and spend more time with Anna because free na po ako every morning. Wala na akong work sa restaurant. I have more time for Anna. Bilis-bilis ng panahon. Uy, goodness. Bangon na tayo, guys. Nasa extra room tayo. So, isa ito sa mga kailangan kong gawin mamaya. Yan, nakahood na tayo. Naglinis ako dito sa room ni Ana kahapon. So, yan. Yung bago niyang setup. Kasi dito yung bed niya. Dati, nakaganito yun. Yan, yung heater niya andun. Tapos yung closet niya. Sobrang happy niya kasi nilagay ko yung yung lights niya dito. Battery lang po yan. So, no, walang kuryente. Bukas tayo ng Ayan. Puntahan na natin si Mr. sa baba. Gusto ko palang lagyan ng something dito. Painting siguro or picture frame. You'll see. Ayan si Ruto. Nag-prepare na siya kasi dadating na si Ana tsaka yung papa niya. By the way, hindi alam ni Anna. She doesn't know that she's going to Efteling today.
She thinks she goes swimming.
Yeah, she thinks she's going swimming with Papa.
She likes swimming too,
But I hope Opa and Oma didn't mention that, Dodong.
No, I think they didn't. Otherwise, they would tell me.
Okay. This is the very first vlog since we got back from Cebu.
That's a while ago.
I know. Pasensya na, andito to sa sa lamesa kasi nga ayan, malinis po 'yan. Ibibigay namin 'yan doon sa second hand shop kasi ayaw gamitin ni Ana. They're here. Ayan o, kunyari nagtatago si Ana kasi nag-open na ng door. Goedemorgen, hoe is het? She slept well?
Yes, if
Yeah?
you she wake at 7:15.
Oh.
She went at 8 o'clock.
Hello! Are you excited to go swimming? Yeah, with Papa again? Yesterday you went swimming, and today you're swimming again? Yeah?
Swimming again!
You're going swimming again? Ah. En, heb je goed geslapen? Ja?
Allemaal goed slapen, grote bed, hè? Ja?
Voor jou, hé.
Wel, kusje!
Dus Abby.
She likes to see the Santa Claus songs, but then not for young kids, but they are dancing and singing. You know.
Oh.
YouTube.
Oh.
Ja.
Wat zit er?
Baboes, you want have a good day?
Kom maar. Op jou een auto zetten.
Veel plezier in het zwembad, ja?
Anna, moet mevrouw Pardoes mee? Nee, geen Pardoes mee?
She doesn't know, that's why. But just bring it. Just bring
Ja,
it.
hoeft niet met zwemmen, hè?
Doei doei!
Doei doei, papa.
Kom maar, doei doei!
Opa, waar was
Kom, papa is klaar, doe maar lopen, gekkie!
open?
Jij moet naar buiten, kom maar, papa kan er zo niet bij. Doe het eerst naar de auto, doen we daar ook open.
Open the paraplu! Hindi niya talaga alam na na punta sila ng theme park.
Baboes maar.
Doei, Skatje! Doei, meisje! Doei, doei! Ayan, alis na sila. Ang lamig! Pakita ko pala sa inyo yung aming Christmas tree. Oh, ayan na siya. Yung mga cards na na-receive namin from the neighbors and from family and friends. Ayan, nilagay ko din dyan sa Christmas tree. Pinatay ko yung ilaw, yan. Para mas klaro siya. Anyways guys, kasi marami akong gagawin today, so hindi din ako makakapag-video masyado para straight talaga. Dire-diretso yung aking mga gawain dito sa bahay.
One eternity later.
And they're here. I was asking her, how was it in the swimming pool? Did you go swimming? No? Where did you go?
I didn't go yesterday.
You went to Efteling? It was embarrassing, huh? A surprise, huh? Yeah? Yan o, naka-dragon costume, oh.
Ja, hè, was leuk, hè? Wil je het raakje doen?
What? Hi, Anna is home.
Anna is weer thuis.
Where'd you go? Did you go to Efteling?
Yeah.
Yeah, and now she has a dragon costume. Oh, naka-dragon costume kasi umihi daw. She peed in her pants. Ala.
Yeah.
And hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
But nothing worked. Just when she was feeling her lowest,
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
What's that?
And
Goedemorgen. Christmas.
Ah,
Mama,
yan, may
kijk.
nakuha na naman yung tatay niya para sa kanya bukas. We have our gifts here. Anna has been trying to open the gifts for days now. finally tomorrow she can open the gifts.
Ja, morgen cadeautjes, Anna.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you excited to open your gifts? Anna? Yeah?
Be sad.
What did you say?
You don't have to be sad.
But you were not here, so then Mama was sad. You didn't sleep here last night. You slept with Oma and Opa. So then Mama was sad.
You don't have to be sad.
Are you angry at Mama now?
No.
Can I get a kiss?
Yeah.
Sweet girl. Did you miss Mama today? Love, did you miss Mama today?
Yeah.
Yeah, Mama missed you too.
Galing, ang galing. Alam mo si Ana. Galing ng galing. Alam mo si Ana. Helicopter. Helicopter. Ron, ron. Hala. Sab. 1, 2, 3. Helicopter. 1, 2, 3, go. Helicopter. Helicopter. Ina, Merry Christmas! Ikaw, Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a snowman's sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a snowman's sleigh. Hey!
Yes, happy birthday.
Oh, happy birthday! Isa mga happy birthday kay sige, go. Baby Jesus, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Papa.
Parang may bata. Sige na, sleep na. Sleep na pa. Sleep na pa. You want to sleep naman. Kaya minsan ang orasa din tomorrow, you will open your presents. Helicopter. Helicopter.
Galing.
Ah, galing? Galing ang galing. Alay bugas si Ana. Lululumoto ko. Basama. Galing ang galing. Alay bugas si Ana. Enough na sleep na tayo. Huh? Because tomorrow, you have to open your presents in the morning.
You have to open your present in the morning.
Sleep na, okay? Let's go na. Go na. You go first. Hey, ako may naluya ni mo. Sige na. Let's go. Helicopter. Oh, no. Doy. Bye-bye.
Hey!
Sige na, let's go out na.
The next day.
Merry Christmas.
Merry ho.
Merry ho. Let's go to Anna. Did you turn on the light, love? Turn on the light, please.
Okay.
Oh! It's our mat. Oh, pinapakita niya na ginawa niya yung bed niya. Oh, goed zo meisje. Maar ja, even wachten. Maar jouw kussens gevallen. Kijk. Pick it up. Yung harang niya kasi para di siya bahulog.
Mama.
Yes.
Papa mo daw pumaytang na po.
Yeah, Mama will help you. Sige na.
Papa.
Okay, you call Papa then. Good morning. Merry Christmas. It's past 7 dito. My God, magkakabangon ko pa lang. Wala, guys. Maulan dito. It's not a white Christmas. It's a wet Christmas. Ayan, kakabangon lang talaga namin. Ginising kami ni Ana kasi gusto na niya mag-open ng presents niya.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Christmas.
Ayan. Minamadali niya yung tatay niya para bumaba na kami. Baka, dali. Pantofos. Okay, then I'll go first, ah. You wait for Papa.
That's for me. Open for my daughter. I will do it.
Yourself?
I will do it. Papa will help me.
Okay. Nag-mix na naman. She's wrapping again, no?
Yeah.
Mama, wait.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna wait for you and Papa.
Wait.
I'm not gonna open the presents yet.
Mama, niet doen.
Die doen dat maar niet. Die op de traffic.
Okay, now I have to wait. I have to wait for them.
Papa, kom maar.
Ja, pak het even goed dicht. Licht je uit.
Wacht.
I know, but I have to I have to turn on the lights first.
Niet openmaken.
Mama.
Ayun yun, natatakot siya na i-open ko yung still. Sabi niya sa papa niya, hurry. Wait, I'm gonna turn on the light here.
Anna wil doen. Anna, licht je aan.
Okay.
Maar licht je aan, Anna.
Lahat na lang siya dapat ang gumawa. Okay, Kamar. Yeah, good so.
Open the princess.
Princess, what presents? Turn on the Christmas tree first. Wait.
Hé, jij die gooien, gekkie.
Sobrang excited ng batang to. Say Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Zo.
Yeah, dankjewel. Si Ana hindi makahintay. No, don't go fast,
Ready
Anne.
by the second one.
Oh my
Just,
God. Sa mani ay. Say thank you, Santa Claus.
Thank you, Santa Claus.
Merry Christmas.
Okay.
So, yan na yung lahat ng presents na natanggap namin sa isa't isa. Yan. Ito ang winner. Oh. Thank you, Dodong.
Alsjeblieft,
one.
hè.
Na, thank you, Santa Claus.
Dankjewel.
So, yun na lamang po yung ating pa-video. And before I recorded this vlog, may mga nauna pa akong video. Since dumating kami dito sa Netherlands, siguro mga 2, I think. In-insert ko lang tong vlog na to para in time siya for Christmas. So, maraming salamat. Abangan nyo po yung dalawa pang vlog. Isa, I'm not sure. Before this one. So, yun. Maraming salamat sa panonood and see you na naman sa susunod na video. Maraming salamat. Doei! Mush mush babush! Merry
Papa,
Christmas!
laatste van jou pakken?
Anna, doei!
Doei doei, zeg doei doei.
Merry Christmas!
Christmas.
Thank you!
Thank you.